Heads up, Power BI users. Power BI integration with SharePoint lists and libraries is being retired. If you use Visualize the List or Visualize the Library, here's what you need to know. Retirement timeline. Starting November 11th, 2025, no new reports can be created with this feature. By December 11th, 2025, all existing reports made with it will be unavailable. What to do instead? Alternative 1. Export to Power BI from SharePoint. Step 1. Create a semantic model in the Power BI service directly from a SharePoint list. Step 2. Use Auto Create Report to quickly explore your data, similar to Visualize the List library. Alternative 2. Build in Power BI Desktop. For advanced modeling or data transformation, connect to the SharePoint list in Power BI Desktop and create a custom report. Stay tuned for more Power BI updates.